Usually, Dolores has to stock the shelves by herself, and it takes 7.2 hours. Today, Camille helped Dolores, and they were able to finish in 2.8 hours. How long would it have taken Camille if she were working alone? So, this is kind of talking about the rates at which people do tasks and how they are related. So, this is a problem that we've done back in the past. That really what we should know about this is that we're going to kind of use fractions and ratios to help us with it. So, first of all, we're going to say that Dolores, we're going to come up with her rate first, is that she can stock everything. She stocks, all of the shelves. I'm going to call it one stocking in 7.2 hours. So that's the rate at which Dolores can stock it. In this case here, we're going to also talk about Camille, which she stocks it in, I'm going to call it C hours, because we're not sure how long it takes Camille to do it on her own. But this equation here that I'm creating is when they're doing it together, right? So together, if we add their two rates together, we are going to figure out like how long does it take them together to stock all the shelves. And in this one here, though, remember when we're doing this type of a problem, we're going to multiply it by however much time they spend doing it. And when they're working together, well, they start and they stop at the same time. So the time, I'm just going to call it T, is the same for both. So this would be my setup if I was trying to solve for how much time it took given both of their rates. But I don't know both of their rates, but what I am given is that it takes both of them 2.8 hours to do it together. So I'm going to plug in 2.8 in for T, and I'm going to solve for Camille's rate, or I'm going to solve for C. Okay, so I've multiplied in the 2.8, and now I'm going to work to try and solve for C. So first I'm actually going to divide these two things. So 2.8 divided by 7.2 is about 0.389. And then I'm going to subtract that from both sides. So I'm going to get 2.8 over C equals 1 minus that last answer, which is about 6.11. And now I'm going to solve for C. So I'm going to multiply both sides by C. 2.8 equals 6.11 C. Divide both sides by 6.11. Sorry, that's not 6.11. That's 0.611. That's my fault. 0.611. That's going to throw off our answer if we were to do that. 0.611. And now I'm going to find C is 2.8 divided by 0.611, and we get about 4.58-ish. So it takes Camille about 4.58 hours if she were to stock all the shelves by themselves.